In today's world, students aren't just competing with each other anymore. They're now up against something much faster. Artificial intelligence. AI can solve math problems, write full essays, and even explain complex topics in seconds. It doesn't sleep, it doesn't get distracted, and it never forgets. So is AI smarter than students? Well, not exactly, because humans have something AI doesn't: curiosity, creativity, and emotion. A student can ask why, not just what. They can connect ideas, question answers, and think beyond the data. AI may know facts, but humans know meaning. When AI learns from data, students learn from experience. AI follows patterns, but people, they innovate, they adapt, they dream. So who's smarter? The truth is, it's not a competition. The future belongs to those who can use AI, not fear it. Let AI help you, but never forget, you are the real thinker.